Wonder shall never end, my people. Nothing when Musa not they see. Una see this man she wanna they see for my stream here. Not be smart, you know. They touch like this guy, whether na man, or be na she. If una see the gbas when they give am, not be smart, they even carry in one okroko eye. Una understand? They remove am, my people. Not be smart, you know. And he can talk say in your occupation, say na okpo na he they do, say na hook up na be occupation. Okay, before we go touch like this matter, I first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my people, no be small thing, no be small matter. Una see this man she wanna they see for yeah. Na okpominiki na they do hook up. Okay, as he can't come out can't clear himself because they touch him. He can't come out to come talk say see wetin happen say he customer call am make he can't give am ta. So he can go as the true he customer come pay am the money. He can go find motor when he go take go back. Now so he can see this driver. So this driver can carry am. This driver can they approach to am. They let her know say he too fine, she too fine. Say nothing do am. Say may you know he can't they give her tune. He can't they touch and I can't let the driver know say don't touch me again. No, they touch me again. No, now the driver can't tell and say no worry, I go give you money when you want. Okay, now so the driver can't let her know. So the driver can't tell and say may he carry Igbola, may he put her for oh no. Now so this guy can't carry a mat, can't put for the Igbola. They chop the Igbola. My people, they chop the cucumber. No be smart, you know. As this guy they narrate this thing, I was shocked. Like I say, na guy I been a woman. I no can understand. He say for inside this business, say na 16 years. Now he can they inside this business. Say he not be tata for inside this business. Say hook up not before small pecking. My people, I was shocked. Like not be say I too talk for inside this video. Men I watch this video where this our sister for the talk and so.
Guys, good morning to you all. So I'm going to be telling you guys how I got this injury on my face. You can see my face, but not be smart thing. They won't carry a mama, but their plan no go work. They can only suffer me, but they cannot kill me. Oh, protocol work. Not be smart thing. Person they see for hook up business. So I know the one thing with me. I know they like to lie. Anything happen to me for this my hook up business, how they do. I go tell when I'm some of my big guys and boys say they do hook up. More they very careful because hook up no be anyhow business say you go just enter because the journey no be here you go feel face what day for the journey. Now be the thing, no be to do hook up be the matter. Whether you go feel face what day for inside the hook up. So when I listen well to hear what area mama want tell about this in how I take get this my injury for my face. Guys, I did my house on Tuesday early morning. They sleep. Around to 4. Now one of my customer call me. And I need like to come out on Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. No other Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They like to come out. Even on Sunday, I need like to come out go hook up. He can't call me. Say, what's up, babe? Are you in town? I say no. I day house. And now my customer they always they pay me 15k, 20k for short time. When I know the one thing with a shower, money no they do a shower. Money no they do house. We like money like say tomorrow no day. This man say make I enter town conscience say he won't do short time. Now so I can't dress up, can't call my taxi driver. They always come pick me for night if I want come out. When I smell he can't pick me for my area. So I won't go see person this early morning. The taxi come pick me, can't carry me, can't go town, can't go see this man. Me and this man can't need this short time. He can't pay me my money. So he get one of my friend be hustler. She been carry belle born picking and ever since she born I never go see her. She dey stay for Gwarimpa village side. Now I say, okay, may I use the opportunity to go Gwarimpa, go see her. Then when they don't break, that time 7 o'clock, I could come back to my house. Because you don't tell she born picking, she they disturb me, say my conscience. Say tell she they even vex for me. And I'm my very close friend, tight friend. Now I come stand for that glow junction, either for who say 2 sides, near Barnes. Now one Uber driver come stop, say, hello babe, where are you going to? Now I say, I dey go Gwarimpa. Because for that place, can get Gwarimpa 200. Tell me saying they do Uber, I know they do drop. I say they go now alarm and they wait for because they don't really break. Now this side they turn around that kind to 6 now. It happen. Now it's half my enter, may drop me close to where I go enter motor they go and pass okay. As I enter, if you drive small, you go carry hand they touch me for lap. They say, what's up now? You be fine girl. This your lap sweet to touch you. I say, oh God, respect yourself, no touch me again. Now no say some of those Uber driver now I shower them be the like I shower guys. As I was telling you people, if this Uber driver drives me, carry hand they touch me for lap. Now I say, hey, you dey find area mama trouble. This time they touch me, this touching, but they touch me, you go pay, I go change them for you. It's the man maintain, now why me I do like this now? And she been they help me to go drop me where they go. Make me to help her. Say you go even cook my go drop me for Guabimpa where I won't go. Now I to say, now what make you want use advantage they touch me. I don't like this kind of thing. If you want to do business with me, make we talk price, make you do business with me. Now they come and they romance me for lap, like say, now small picking I be for hook up business. Because okay now, say this thing, the bola don't stand, the bola don't rise up. Say how much you could find me, make I help and do and make the thing, make it pull. That's okay, make give me 10,000, I go help and with 10,000 naira. It's about me, I know now Uber driver in the money no day now. So all of us with day street, we say at street day. I say okay, bring 8,000. He say he go give me 3,000 naira. I say I no collect 3,000. Say last I go help you with na 7K. He come to say, okay, he go give me 5,000. I say, I no collect. Now that 7K, I go help you. Unto say the way you take the complaint for me, they beg me. He comes to, okay, me will do it now, making the drive, they go make a they do it like this. You know that thing, as normal thing now, they drivers, they do. Now classmate, he give me my money. He say, man, no very, say no get cash here, but if you reach that one, pass that, you go withdraw with ATM, carry, give me. Now I no talk, I say, I trust myself now. If you don't give me my money, I go seize your handset. I know the for Chevy Cambia. Because not you send me enter street at the waka. They do hook up business. Now you come they drive, come open in bola. I come they do one like this. They drive motor, they do one like this. And this driver can't get himself. He can't reach that Guavin pass like that they go. I come plan and say, see ATM, may go withdraw my money, give me first before anything go happen. He come back. Don't go they press wrong pin. They waste time for ATM, say they withdraw money. Come they tell me say network they bad though. Say how you go be now. He make you give me 500 naira, make me enter another one from here they go, which way they go, make him turn back. Man give her my number, he go call me for night, give me the money. Now like say like say something they worry you for head. If like say they colo, if like say this is a small pikin they follow they talk to. As they see, this is my 16 years, I be 17 years for this hookup business how they do. If you try me back, if I use the expression and make me enter this business how they do back, I go kill this money. You dey mad? Which one be man collect 500 enter another one they go make it turn back, they go man give me my number. He go call me for night, give me the money. I say you dey crazy. Wait, you look me like say I be JJC for a shower work, I be waiting. Now I change them for the driver, carry handset they inside motor. As I carry you come they drag the phone with me and you come the dragger. Not be small thing. If guys, as I was telling you people, me and this Uber driver come they drag this in phone. Instead make I give her, say I no go give her. Except him give me my money. See when fellow drivers they pass, come they stop, they join hand, they fight me, they drag this phone from my hand. And I know all these drivers they sabi cooperate, they like their self each other well. When they see when bad thing they happen to their member, they go come they park, they join hand, they fight. Now I verse carry this phone, feeling grab and forget and the screen go break. Come on my week clothes, wait forget with my clothes. Now they call even nothing a man I do. Me and they come they fight, they come they beat me, they reach more than 7. So you get one vigilante guy be stand around that place. He come carry phone, come calling members, make them carry keke come. So you get where fight they happen. We dey for the vigilante come say they want arrest me and the man go their office. I say I no go follow them go, they no be police. Make them carry us go station. They say that from their office they will carry us go station first. They come carry us put inside motor, come go their office. As to reach their office now, they come ask me, I can't explain to them. Now, vigilante been there that money, now all these small boys, now ain't they small boys vigilante, their organ never come. All these small boys, use small boys, they take all this smoke, all this thing, they make them high. Now this driver, come go bribe them with 5,000, so make them beat me well, make them tie me, beat me well, break my body. Now I can't explain what happened today. They don't want to listen to what I want to tell them. They can't support the driver. What the driver talk. Come begin they beat me, they fight me. Man, then come they fight for their office. The organ never contact now. All these small boys now. Then they the office. They come they fight me. They beat me. Then plenty. The vigilante. Me and they come they fight. They come carry hand. They blow me for hand. And then blow me this thing. Carry hand tie me like this. Me and then they drag. They drive a content and make them carry phone, they video me. Say me I talk, say me I do something. He insult me this and that. Say me I talk this and that. Make them carry phone, they video me. Make I repeat what I talk, say me I not do anything. Say because she and they catch and before they will come to say, nah man, you can't go, they do something, not be woman. Carry phone, they video me. Say make I repeat, say me I not do anything. We not do anything, see me first and this and that. Then say make I they talk, say me and they drive and not do anything, they go leave me. Then carry phone, they video me, they beat me. I can't say okay, me I not do anything, Muna leave us, I know soccer, I not do anything. I talk that up, unto say up, say they go release me if I talk and they not still release me. Then time me, beat me like this. These people, they never want to kill me. If not besides stronger for die. Now they old, then tie me like this, my two and tie, carry my two and tie and they beat me. The organ come around that can 8 or 9. Come see me. So what thing happen? Why they tie me like that? Now they come, the organ comes to make them lose me. The organ a very nice man, na good person. They can't lose me. The man come they ask me, I come carry this matter, explain to the man. Now the man come to say what? Say they will carry us, they go Gwarimpa police station. Now the driver come to like say the answer come outside, come wrong. He called me only me for that. So guys, as I was telling you people, now this driver come to like say the answer call fast, I can't enter a motor, come wrong. Vigilante can hold me for that place. Now you go get when they put their vigilante or get when they call those vigilante guys. Say why they go tie my hand like this? They beat me like this, like that be animal. They won't give me. Eh? Now they come they tell the organ say, the driver to say, me at the life on head say me a soccer. And you know, and me a no soccer. Me I say I soccer this and that. Say even 219, he been calling me 219. Say me I thief him phone for 219, thief him money. And today he can't see me again. And me I can't still carry him phone again. He can't they fight me this and that. Now they drive the vigilante or content and say. When something happen between two people, don't know they conclude only one person talk because we are not there when the thing they happen. The thing happen between two of them. Nobody there. Nobody can judge each other. The man tell and say me I carry phone 219 and money. Una there when the thing happen for 219. This money all happen. Two of them, me and the man go do something. Whether them there when the thing happen, they know what thing will conclude. They're not supposed to start to they beat me like this, one kill like animal. Because of what the man tell them. Now the man make them tie me hand. They beat me. They video me. Make me at the beggar. Say, I not do anything with them, this and that. Now the organ converse. Come the quality and tell them, say, please, say some of them don't know their work they're supposed to do. Say, if they kill now, if they kill for nothing, now what if they want to tell government? Come the quality and say, it's like they don't know their work. Say, he go sack some of them. Now the organ come they ask me what thing happen. I can't carry this thing, explain to them. He can't tell me, say, but me. Say, why me I go the carry the man phone because of say no gree pay me. Now I tell say, Oga, this business how they do, I know they use that they play. Now this business how they take help myself. Not be today I they do. So person not use me do for this business how they do. Say because I don't come outside come to look through my work for nights. Say now what make me carry the man phone so that I go feel be able to give me my money before I give him in phone. Now the vigilante come to say, as the driver don't run now they go carry me go police station. Now I say okay, Muna carry me they go police station, go even better for me, pal, because this now officer na they like this, una no sabi una work, una won't keep me for here. Now I say, they carry me go police station, from there they'll carry me go court. Now I tell you inside they fear to go court. You know what I don't pass through for this my night book up I do. Did I tell you that I'm scared of going to court? Let's go. They go. When judge go ask me, I say where my second day. When police go ask me, I say where my second day. I go know what I go explain to police people. Now the vigilante or got to say, okay, no wahala, make a cop person go pay me, make them leave me, make a they go. They say me I go pay myself with 50,000. I say for what I see. Did I?
My people, share on I don't watch the video. Nothing when Musa not they see. Nothing. He say they be one delete area mama, they be one payam. Say they be one give an RIP. No be smart no, na so they remove that in Enya Okoroko. And I understand that place when they black hair, like say they use a makeup, they makeup. Say na so they can't give an bus for them. Say not be smart, no. Say a month when he with the driver Dakodo. Say na 7,000. Na both of them talk together, banamish. You know, na they agree together. Say now time reach to pay. Say the man can't carry and go MTN. They reach MTN, make they withdraw money for MTN. If the man come, they waste time. The man not see money withdraw. The man come, they talk say network problem. Say money not let am withdraw. Say na 500 na he hold for here. Say may he take the 500 na he come say may he kaba never. Say he can never take 500 naira. Say na 7,000 na he that called though. Na so he can carry this man phone, he can fling am o. Na so go bete gbas for them. Na so they come they do baga. Na so they come gather, people come gather. They come tortureize am o. From there, wig wey he carry for head. Na so they come remove the wig wey he carry o. The head, they don't know say, na there they for no say now. Man, na he be o. Say before they too say na woman, na he be. Say the man they touch her for inside motor, they use hand till they tortureize am. To say woman, you too fine, you too do this, you too kpkus. Say he can't say me, he can't put him mat o for the cucumber. Na that place, na he shock me o. He can't give am bag. He can't give the man wetin he want to. God save us. Wetin come dey happen? He say na this one na he take dey sustain. He dey hustle with this thing. Good 16 years, I was shocked to lies. My people, how una reason this matter? How una reason this thing? This thing, my people, may na leave on our opinion o. Na here now I wan talk show. May not come be say this video too long. Thank you guys for watching. I so much appreciate you guys. Guys, share this video. Bye bye.